Hey vets, Derek Debus here, Director of Military and Veterans Law here at Stone Rose Law. If you don't know us yet, we are here to help you get the benefits you've earned and the benefits you deserve. In this video, I want to walk you through the first steps of representation with our firm and what we'll need from you as your accredited attorneys. As a Marine Infantry veteran myself, I know that most of us vets have not worked with lawyers in the past. That's why I wanted to provide this video to walk you through the next steps to getting you your veterans benefits. So let's dive in. So step one, the first step is signing the documents the VA needs to recognize us as your attorneys. And we'll also file an intent to file for you to preserve a favorable effective date. Now, if you already have an ITF or an intent to file on file, ours will not interfere or override the previously filed ITF. You'll get a letter from the VA confirming they received your intent to file. No need to worry about that. So after we file those initial documents to the VA, it typically takes about 8 to 10 weeks to both get access to your file and to fully review it. Though sometimes it can be a little faster, or unfortunately, sometimes it can be a little slower. During this time, it is incredibly important that you do not file anything with the VA yourself, as it could interfere with future filings or appeals. Even worse, it could impact your potential for the earliest effective date possible. As I often tell my client, think of us as drivers of the bus. You're the GPS. We'll get you where you need to go as quickly as possible, but we can't be fighting over the steering wheel. And I know it's hard to let go, but trust the process and our proven track records of results. In the last 2 years alone, we've clawed back over $7 million in wrongfully withheld benefits for our clients. Step two, as soon as we get access to your file, a VA-accredited attorney will review it in detail. After the review, we'll schedule a phone call with your attorney or case manager to discuss what we found and any new or increased claims you may want to file. Step three, we'll either file appeals, gather additional evidence with your assistance, file new claims, or do a combination of all three. Now, once we file, unfortunately, it is out of our hands. We're at the VA's mercy in terms of timing, although in certain circumstances, we can seek to expedite the claim due to things like serious illness, financial hardship, or pending or current homelessness. Look, vets, I know this process can be confusing and frustrating, but that's why we're here to help. We're going to help you navigate it to get the benefits you deserve. And we appreciate your trust and confidence in us, and we appreciate your patience as we open up your file and begin the process of reviewing it. For more information, visit us at stoneroselaw.com or call us at 480-498-8998. As always, we're always happy to answer any questions you may have.